Bixby, what's the time?
It's 12:02 a.m.
So how to enable this option? Open your menu and type Bixby. Then you can see the advanced setter. Under advanced setting, then you can see the Bixby. Then press on voice registration. Now select this option, Hi Bixby or Bixby. I am selecting the Hi Bixby. Then wake up sensitivity, you can set it as high or low. Now go back. Now select your language and voice type. I am selecting the United States and
Hi, my name is Bixby.
now, Hi Bixby, how are you today? Hi Bixby, what time is it? Now go back. Hey Bixby, what time is it? Hi Bixby, what time is it?
It's 12:03 a.m.
So first time. That's it. Thank you. Have a good day.